How to connect a GoDaddy domain to GoHighLevel. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to GoHighLevel. Let's get started. After opening up your GoHighLevel dashboard, switch to the sub account where your website or panel is located. This is the account where you want to add your domain. Once you're in the right sub account, click Settings, then click on Domains. In the domain dashboard, click Add Domain. And now you will enter the domain name you purchased from GoDaddy. Head over to your GoDaddy account, copy your domain name, and paste it into the field in GoHighLevel. Click Continue. GoHighLevel will now display the DNS records you need to set up, an A record and the CNAME record. Let's add those in GoDaddy. Go back to your GoDaddy dashboard and click Manage DNS. Now, click Add New Record, and we'll start with the A record. Set the type to A. For the host and value, copy the provided one by GoHighLevel and paste it here. Leave TTL at the default setting. Click Save. Then, let's proceed to CNAME record. Click Add New Record again. Set the type to CNAME. Just copy the host and value provided by GoHighLevel and paste it here. Click Save. And now that we've added both the A record and CNAME record, return to GoHighLevel and click Verify Records. You may see a message saying it takes some time to verify. This is normal. DNS updates can take a few minutes up to 48 hours to fully propagate. If it doesn't verify right away, wait a bit and try clicking Verify Records again later. And that's it. You have connected the GoDaddy domain to GoHighLevel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.